nice, really short staccato. And you can really control the dynamic well. And you know, less defined there, more legato. Really explore with the different ways, different angles. It's just whatever the music requires. And lots of different things there. Really just play around with the bells, and of course they're all different. And surprisingly, these little children's ones are actually really, really good. They really project well. You might want to hold several. It's entirely up to you. What would happen if I held a lot more? There's like an army of sleigh bells there. But also one of the things I quite like to do is just to have some water. Now normally I'd use a much deeper bowl than this, but with the little kiddies ones, you know, where you don't mind them getting water inside, it's not a big deal. But the sleigh bells are going through a puddle there. So just have some fun with them.